On the road again, another morning in the streets of Los Angeles looking for metal. Thanks for coming on the adventure. We got a good list today and a narrow street, so I got to pay attention. Let's get there. All right, I found it, little weed whacker. Let's get that on the truck. This might be a little metal too. Yeah, I'll throw that on there too. All right, beautiful. Oh man, we got the moon out this morning. All right, woo, a little dusty. Let's go to the next. Man, this is pretty cool. Scored 2 of them, so let's get them in the truck. That's a pretty good start of the day. Let's go, Grandpa. I love it when a good plan works out. Okay, on to the next stop. All right, in the morning light, we got ourselves a stove oven. And thank God I got a hand truck and a lift gate. All right, a bed frame and a light. Truck's filling up, not too shabby. Let's go. Yes, the sun is coming up. It won't be so dark. Let's go. All right, got an exercise bike and an island, and a lawnmower. I'm on Island Avenue. People don't get their addresses painted real well in this community, so you gotta kind of get x-ray vision so you can see far away. Follow the map, of course. Well, let's get it on the truck. Well, we got it in there somehow, some way. Kind of got this bed frame capping all over. Bottom line, kids, don't drive and have this stuff fall off the truck. The moon's gorgeous in Wilmington, California. What a beautiful day to be out here doing this. So grateful. On to the next. So pumped up. I got another pallet and all the stuff I got this morning in this truck, and we'll bring it in a little bit. Got one more stop maybe, then we'll get weighed and get paid. Thank you. All right, it's that time. We here gonna get weighed. I've got an open lane. Who knew? I know that one's not gonna go into the metal pile. God love them. All right, we'll let him go. Wow. A lot of trash to get through here. A lot of drywall. Thank you. Man, doing business out here. Whoa. Man, that's some money right there, that steel. Well, here we go. Let's get it off, Grandpa. Like Nona says, it don't unload itself. Wish me luck. Here we go. Don't fault, Grandpa. Stay out of the drop zone. Whew. This thing is heavy. Good to be on the other side. Okay, no straps grabbing me. And boom. Up and in and over the rim. 1, 2, 3. All right. Okay, you stay. This has got to go. Oh man. Sounds, the banging and the clanking, and I got poopy pipe over there too. Everything's got to go, like a business going under. Everything's got to go. Woo! Exercise bike, you've seen better days. Time to go. Make them walk the plank. There you go, bye. Woo! Poopy pie. So my granddaughter says, "Grandpa, is there any stuff in it?" I said, "Yeah, unfortunately." Bye-bye, poopy pipe. Ooh. More big weights, gotta go. Oh man, little by little. Don't get hurt, Grandpa. Let's see if we can get a little head of steam here. 1, 2, 3. Don't fall off the back, Grandpa. Slide, 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 slide. Boom! Hey, maybe not. We'll help it up and over. All right. Boom! Oh man. Oh man, someday maybe a dump truck. Loaded by hand, gotta come off by hand. Boom. All right, just chucking. You know, I've never seen 7.5 pound plates till today. Who knew? All right, found this one this morning. Getting recycled. Amen. Poopy pie. Piece at a time. Oh man, we getting it. This baby boy gotta go too. Amen. Bye-bye. Bye-bye, Poopy. Oh, man. I appreciate you guys coming on the journey. Just I'm so grateful everybody that gives me stuff too. I'll say it every time because I get to do some of the things in my life, giving and doing for my own family because of this kindness that gets extended, and I really appreciate it more than you know. Really, really do. And the straps help keep the load safe when I'm first starting to load up. Don't let everything bounce around back there. All right. This rack came from a very interesting charitable group called Maria's Closet, and really fascinating. They're in my local community. My wife's in that group as well, and it started off simple, getting donations of old formal dresses, and then young ladies high school age, especially this time of year, is heading into prom season, and you know, being a girl's tough, man. It costs a lot of money for stuff. Guy can rent a suit for like $150. Maybe get the shoes in there too. But being a girl, you know, get a dress that fits and makes you, you know, feel good about yourself while you're in it. That takes a little something. And the thing has grown so much that a lot of designers in our Los Angeles area, as they go through things, their different seasons of dresses, they literally donate. So you get some like designer gowns available for young ladies. Young ladies are getting to wear these designer gowns for their dress-up dance, you know, the prom, so to speak. And really, really cool. And so I help out with that as well, but they go, hey, can you take that rack? It's broken, it doesn't work anymore. I say, hey, anything I can do to help. I'm going to volunteer my time with setup and cleanup. If you get a chance, look them up on any of your social media, Maria's Closet, and what a great cause. So much joy. The event is this weekend, and it's literally called The Big Give, because that's what they do. And so much stuff has been donated to the girls, because you get more than a dress. You know, you get some, there's often the right shoes. We also have stylists that can help, and we'll donate even more to help these young ones with all the things you need, because you need some jewelry, you need some skincare products, and just the growth of this charity in Los Angeles is amazing. And I'm probably going to say the wrong number, but I bet you that at least 200 girls will be blessed this weekend. And then you saw that. I got the busted rack. But hey, here we go, man. We got to clear it off. Let's get it cleaned up, get weighed, get paid. And I'd like to thank everybody that gives me stuff so we can recycle around here. Appreciate you all. Dear paper, I will let you win. Rock. Man, who's doing the marketing for this company? I love it. I can't believe what this amounted to. Once again, so blessed. It was 1,720 pounds, still about 195 per gross ton. And that poopy pipe, yes. And the one pallet and all the other goodies collected this morning. Hustle, cool, 150 bucks. Grateful for everybody that gives me their busted stuff and that gives me the list that I get every morning to collect stuff. Appreciate you guys all.